Hi, my name's Seth Nixon here at Palmetto Electric. I've been working here for 15 years. Been climbing poles for about 15 years. I just want to go over some equipment that we use for climbing poles. Safety is our number one goal. We want to be safe. We want our customers to be safe. So anytime we climb a pole, we've got what we call PPE, personal protective equipment. I'm going to start off with our hard hat. We're going to have a hard hat on, just in case something falls on our head, bolt or some type of material, it won't hurt our heads. So we have a hard hat. We've got safety glasses. We'll use safety glasses just in case a piece of pole comes out the pole. We don't want it to get in our eyes. And then we're gonna have some climbing boots. You need a good pair of EH-rated composite toe climbing boots. We've got our Carolina climbing boots there. Probably the most exciting part is our climbing hooks. This hook here it got a gaff on it, and that's what goes into the pole. We'll show that in a little while. But this goes around our foot, this goes around our leg, and then that gaff jabs into the pole. And then we've got our rubber gloves. We're going to wear our rubber gloves on any energized pole that we climb. This will protect us from any kind of electrical contact. And then we've got our climbing belt. The climbing belt is going to go around our waist like this. Climbing belt, we have all kind of tools that we fit in here. We've got our channel locks and side cutters, and got a ratchet, hammer. We got all kind of cool tools that we can fit in our belts. Fit in there like that, because you never know what you're going to run into up there. We'll have all kind of equipment, all kind of bolts and nuts, so we got to take off, on and off. And this is our fall restraint system. This is the piece of equipment that's going to keep us, going to go around the pole like this. Going to go around the pole like that. And this is the piece of equipment that's going to keep us from falling. It's going to hook to our belt like this. It's going to keep us from falling. It's going to keep us safe. Pole. We've got to do a few tests on this pole before we ascend. So we'll do a hammer test. Go around. We'll hit that pole all the way around and make sure there's no rot. And we'll do a visual test. We'll look up, make sure there's no pole rot, make sure there's nothing that'll harm us or cause any issues as we climb, as we have a climber. And then our climber here, another lineman from Palmetto, Aaron Williams. We're going to inspect all our gear. We had all our gear laid out earlier, so we're going to go through a visual inspection. We're going to make sure everything's safe, because we don't want to have him get up there and get hurt, fall. He's got his fall restraint system. You want to go ahead and get on the pole with that, just that. Here's that fall restraint system here. You can see right here it's connected to his belt. There's no way he can fall. And his gaff will go in the pole, and then he'll stand up. Before he gets going, I do want to mention, if he goes up and climbs, if he has a heat stroke or something happens to him, he passes out, we're trained twice a year to perform a hurt man rescue. We'll have our equipment sitting out here by the pole as he climbs, and if he gets hurt, we can get up that pole, we can ascend the pole as safely as he did, and we can rescue him. It's called a pole top rescue scenario, and we've never had to do that, thankfully, but we're trained to do it in case something does happen. It's part of our safety program, and we train on that, like I say, twice a year. We do a good bit of climbing, so all our linemen are efficient at it. thanks to Aaron Williams for climbing the pole for us today and demonstrating how to climb a pole. And all y'all out there that got any questions, if you ever see us out and about working, ask us some questions. We want to help. We want to educate the public about what we do and how dangerous it can be, but how it can be fun, and we do it safely. So we go home to our kids, our families every day. And we want to thank you for watching, and thank you for being a Palmetto consumer.